Kiwi and I would like to welcome you to our video on rests. She's a big fan of silence. She likes to sleep on the couch and kind of freak out when the mailman comes. But she loves rest. So let's get started. They actually correspond directly with the note values we were just talking about in the previous video. There's one that corresponds with each. So let's get started. Whole rest goes with the whole note. And guess what? It's worth the same amount as the whole note. It looks like a hole in the ground, so you can remember it that way. Identify it as a whole rest. It lives below the line, and it lasts for 4 beats, and like the whole note, all of our rests are compared to this one, because it's worth the most. So then, halving it, like we did before, the half rest is half of the whole rest, and we actually flip it upside down so it looks like a hat on the line or on the space, and it is worth 2 beats. 2 beats of silence, to be specific. So we have those two. Then we have what is corresponding with our quarter note, and that is the quarter rest. Quarter rest looks kind of funny. It's kind of like a squiggly arc, and it lasts a quarter as long as the whole rest, or half as long as the half rest. So 1 beat of silence. So like our notes, it means the same thing of 1 whole rest equals 2 half rests, which also equals 4 quarter rests, to be the same amount as 4 beats. So halving the quarter rest then becomes the 8th rest. 8th rest looks kind of funny. It has a dot and a little line and a stem and a flag, and it lasts half as long as the quarter rest. So there's not a really cool way of barring multiple 8th rests together. You just kind of would write a quarter rest or something like that. But that means that 2 8th rests equals 1 quarter rest. So a question for you, 4 8th rest equals what? Well, it could either be 2 quarter rests, 2 of these things, or 2 beats, or it could be 1 half rest. And there you go, rests corresponding with their note values. Stay tuned for more information.